Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kasia. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I mentioned to you I was doing mini makeovers throughout my house in a few rooms, and one of them is in the basement. It's the guest bedroom. So I've been working hard. It's not completely finished, but it's almost there. And that takes time for me to find the right pieces. It's not in a few weeks time that I can find everything. So it's for sure things are going to change. I'm going to tweak things here and there, but overall it is done. During the holidays or when, family comes over, I usually have a guest bedroom for my mom, my sisters, so that they can spend the night and not drive all the way back home. I have 3 bathrooms. So I have one on this main floor, which is my husband and I's bathroom, the main floor where our bedroom is. And then there's the second floor, which is a bathroom, but it has no bath. It's a bathroom with no bath. And then the basement is another bathroom, but it has a shower. So I thought it was perfect that when, family friends come over, that they have the whole basement to themselves, where they have the bedroom. They also have a bathroom that they can use so that they don't have to use mine. The OCD in me, I have a thing with bathrooms, don't ask. It's a personal thing where I want me and my husband's butt, the only butts to touch my toilet. Anyway, we had a gym downstairs that I wasn't using, my husband wasn't using. I pretty much do my workouts upstairs in front of my mirror using my little elastic bands and my yoga mat, and I am not using the gym downstairs. So it is a room that is not being used at all. The only thing that we were using was the hyperbaric chamber, and there was no way I was getting rid of that because that is helping me tremendously with my health issues. So I wanted to keep that. So the only place that I had that I was able to keep it was in that bedroom, or else there's no room. There's no space in this house. It is like huge. So the only place that it would be is in that room. So obviously I kept it, but I sort of worked my way around the rest of the room, and I'm super happy of how it turned out. I hope you love it as much as I do. Of course, keeping in my whole ethnic vibes and wanting it to be calming, soothing, but yet different. I did this on a budget. I found things on Facebook Marketplace, at the thrift store. I found things at Winners. I found different pieces that I love to save money. and it's almost like a challenge for me. I love seeing that I can revamp a whole room, do a makeover under a budget. So yeah, I am super happy. I love how it turned out. So anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. I saw this mirror and I was thinking of possibly putting, since there's 2 of them, putting 2 of them in the back of the side tables. So I'm not sure, just they're really simple and I wanted something simple. So I'm debating. And they're $39 each, I think. I don't have my glasses, so let me zoom in. Should I get them or shouldn't I? I end up finding these 2 lamps. I have other linen fabric lampshades that I might change up, but I loved the bottom of it. I'm gonna try them out. I'm not sure if I wanted light or dark, and I'm a visual person, so I'm gonna see if I like them. If not, I'll find darker ones, but this is what we found, and we're going for the mirror. I also end up finding these curtains, and I love the texture of them. They are $18 on sale, and I love a good sale. So we're gonna go ahead and get these, and you guys saw the pillows. We're off to the cash. So this was the gym before. It's sort of a room of like, we catch pretty much everything and we just shove it in here. Don't mind right now, there's the new bed, there's the new rug, the side tables, and then there's my bike, there's my transport, my husband who works out with this, but he goes to the gym now, so we don't even need the gym. Then there's the hyperbaric chamber, there's parts of the bed that's there, so we are going to have to take out everything and then put up the bed. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and start doing. But beforehand, I wanted to show you how bad and messy and we need to do something about this room. Oh, another thing, we're gonna take out all of those mirrors off the wall too. And this is pretty much half of my husband's clothes that he uses, and then there's tools and stuff in there. So yeah, right now it's a total chaos in here. So we're gonna start emptying it slowly and get rid of things that I don't need. I don't even know if I want that bike. I love my bike, but for the amount of times that I use it, it takes up a lot of space. And we're gonna sell the transport, get rid of some things that we don't need anymore, and create a beautiful guest bedroom. We took out that huge cage over there that we had. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the transport and then all of the carpet, move the hyperbaric chamber there so I can take out the carpets. And then I'm gonna leave some black carpet right underneath so that it's a little bit more cushioned when we're in the chamber. And oh, and we're gonna take down those mirrors there. We got quite a bit done, so that's good enough for us. So hopefully we can empty this whole room out by tonight and get the bed up. So we shall see. First things first, we are gonna take out the mirrors or the transport, one of the two. This is what's going on right now. We took down the mirrors. We have to take this out. The hyperbaric chamber is gonna stay there. I end up keeping it on top of the gym rug and I end up cutting it so it fits perfectly in the corner there. So we're gonna keep that there. I'm gonna move the machine closer to the hyperbaric chamber. Next, we're gonna start putting up the bed. So that's what's going on. And then I'm gonna take out the rest of the carpet, pass the vacuum, and that's it. Gotta remove all these drills, and now I gotta fill up all of these holes here. So that's what was holding up the mirror. So we put up the bed. We still have to put those panels and then these, and then we're pretty much done with the bed. It's like this beautiful sort of beigey taupe. I don't know if you see, let me zoom in like this. It has a woven, and they had these sort of buttons. If I can show a picture, I'll show you the picture. They had like these diamond buttons there, and all along here there was these silver pins, little, you know, like nails. And so I decided to take them out and keep it more clean and more modern. This is what it's looking like so far, and I'm going to be keeping the hyperbaric chamber. So I was a little worried that there wasn't gonna be enough room, but there's enough room, so yay, I'm so excited. So these were the buttons that I was talking about that were right here on the bed, and I could not deal with these buttons. I literally took them all off, and I'm like, yeah, bye-bye buttons. And then there was all of these little nails all along this panel right here and on the other side, and I took them all out. I didn't like, I don't know if you guys are seeing it like this, like the nail. Oh, it added some tackiness, so I took it all out, but I'm gonna keep it. You never know when I might need them for something though. Before we put the mattress, I'm gonna put the carpet so that it's not so heavy to lift it up. I got this rug from, I'm not sure if any of you know, Arvin Orlano, and he is a YouTuber, home decor, and he came out with a line of carpets. So I end up getting his carpet, and it is like this. Okay, I'm totally not able to show you, but I'm gonna take the plastic off and then I'm going to show you the carpet. I wanted something very neutral to go with the rest of my house, but I wanted it to be something different where it has a little bit of checkered. So it's a little bit more different than what I normally go towards, but still keeping it cohesive with the rest of the house. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the plastic and install it. This is the rug. We kind of put it on top right now, but I wanted to show you the color and the texture. It has little checkers, but it's the right amount of checkers. It's not too much. And yeah, so now we're gonna put it underneath the bed. Okay, so there it is, the pretty carpet. Okay, so now we're gonna put the mattress, and the fun part begins with the decorations. But this is the carpet. I'm not sure if you can remember these doors that I had gotten, and I didn't know what to do with them. So I thought of, for now, I thought of hanging them right here, maybe 2 of them right above the side table. I thought that it would look different and fun and unique. I haven't thought of any furniture or anything I wanted to do with them, and I thought hanging them and displaying them on the wall would make this section look prettier. So we're gonna try, go ahead. The only problem is that they are super heavy. We had to go buy brackets and figure out how we were gonna hang them on the wall. I don't want them to fall. The good thing is that they're not over the bed, because I thought of putting it over the bed, but what if it falls or something and then we just totally squish our guest's head or something? I don't know. So no. So I decided that right here, I think 2 of them are gonna go right there, and then on the other side, I'll show you in just a little bit. We're going and pick it up. I had another idea. I didn't want a side table on the other side. I came up with something else, so stay tuned. We're going and pick it up. Okay, so these are the brackets. So you put one on the wall, one on the little door here, and then it hooks into each other. So there's a little hook, and then you can lean it in there, and then it holds like this. I don't know, I'm doing it completely wrong, but anyway, it kind of hooks into each other, and it's for about 150 pounds or 100 pounds. I think it's 100 pounds weight that will support, and that's about, I would say that that's about 80 pounds maybe. So yeah, that should be good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put one on the wall and then the other one on the door. So let's go ahead and do that. It's up, it's up, it's up, it's up. And it seems to be holding. So now we're gonna put all of the decorations, the linens. I'm gonna show you the other side as well. We're gonna go and head out and get the other thing that I want on the other side, because I had an idea, and I will show you that. And then we're gonna start the fun part, which is putting all of the accessories and the decorations. And also, oh, I have to put up the curtains. So the curtains is another thing that's that I have to put, but after that, decorations. So I told you I was putting something else on this side of the bed. The other side has the end table, and I end up finding this ladder shelf on Facebook Marketplace, and I thought it was going to be perfect as a side table on the other side of the bed, but just to give a little bit of height. So we're gonna go ahead and start decorating it and adding some really cool pieces to tie in everything. And then we are going to start with the curtains. So this is a tiny little window since we are in the basement, but I still wanted to warm it up with some curtains and maybe close it off so we think that it's like a big window. After that, we're gonna put up the curtain rod and start putting the curtains, but first we're gonna start putting the decorations up there and a lamp on the side table as well. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this mini room makeover. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your comments. If there's a way that you can help my channel, it's definitely by doing that. It helps support me in so many ways, and it helps to reach out different fairies and to continue to build our beautiful community that we've built together. For my next video, it's been a little while since I did maybe a sewing video, doing a thrift flip with fashion. I've been really into the home decor, but I also miss my fashion. So I think that that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something sewing, not too sure what. Have an amazing week. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.